Welcome to iLecture Online. Before we continue with all the details about the incredible world that we live on and all the special properties of the oceans and the water and everything else around us, let's go back to asking the basic fundamental question. What would happen if you were to sit down on a park bench and ask the question, why does anything exist at all? Regardless of what you think the source of everything is, you have to admit, it's a miracle. Because you look around us and what do you see? You see the grass, you see the birds, you see the pond, you see the insects, you see the flowers, some animals squirreling around. And if you then expand your horizon, you see continents and oceans and an earth, and that earth is just a tiny little speck among the vastness of the galaxy. And the galaxy itself is just one little speck among the vastness of the universe. And where did it all come from? Where did it start? Why is it here? And that's a really fundamental question. And answering that question, I believe, should, in a large part, determine how we live our lives. Do we go on just living totally impervious to the thoughts of why we're here, impervious to why everything is here, or anything is here, why anything exists for that matter? Is there a purpose to life? Is the reason why we as individuals are here? Remember that we're the only beings on this planet that can actually ask the question itself. There's no way that a dog or a cat or a dolphin or anything else will sit there and ponder, what am I doing here in the universe? It is just us that's able to do that. And the answer to that question, wow, where does it lead to? Does it matter? Will it affect the way we live our lives? Or are we just simply going to ignore all that and just continue with our lives unaffected by the big question, why does anything exist at all? How did it get here? Well, we're trying to explore that through these videos. The miracle of our existence. And this is one big miracle. Why is anything here at all? And we're going to explore the concept of what matter is and how it's constructed and the forces of nature and the planet that we live on and how everything is just seemingly so perfect for us to be here. So we're going to delve more into these questions. But that's the big one. Why does anything exist at all? And what is your answer to that question? Perhaps you don't care. Perhaps it makes you think. Think in a way you've never thought before. But it's just one of those basic things of our existence. Why are we here? What are we doing here? Why does anything exist? Think about it.